What's up, guys? Come back at you with another vlog. If you already know because of the title, but we're here to install some Gktech tow arm. Got these in the other day and I'm finally putting them on. So here we have the Gktech rear tow arm, aka bucket delete. If you haven't seen her videos, obviously this should be a very simple install. Of course, I ordered the eccentric lockout kits because mine obviously are super bad. So that's good, and you don't have to put this rubber boot on. I put it on because, you know, it's like comes with it, might as well use it, you know. And I already adjusted to the stock length of the rear buckets already. Here they are, and let's get to work.
You fuck. Look at that thing.
Fucking hurt. Ow. Yay! Yay! Alright, so got the bucket pieces of crap off. Now I'm gonna install the last part and try to do it before the sun goes away. So let's get to it. so got the tow arms installed. Now tomorrow morning at KAZOKU Motorsports, we're gonna go get aligned and see what they're up to. So let's go. Thanks again to KAZOKU Motorsports for aligning my car and getting the bolt extracted. It took them a while, but they got it done. The car sounds great now. So if you ever need any motorsports, anything related to your car, check out KAZOKU Motorsports. The link will be in the description below. Let's go check them out. And again, thanks for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. See ya.
No.